Imagine a place of breathtaking nature. A place where people are warm-hearted and where world-class innovations are born. Welcome to Lugaia, home of containment solutions. Since 2006, we provide superior containment solutions for life science, pharmaceutical, and biotechnology. Our daily objective is to make workplaces and production facilities safer and more efficient. We meet your product and personal protection needs with renowned Swiss precision and cutting-edge technology. Though our roots are firmly planted in Switzerland, our influence spans the globe. With the support from local representatives and our 2 branch offices in Germany and the United States, we operate worldwide. Being Swiss, we love to be precise, reliable, and always aim for the highest quality. Our goal is to find individual solutions according to your wishes and practicality. And when it comes to design, we believe in continuous innovation processes to meet the changing needs of our customers. Let's take a closer look at our mission and work. We produce market-ready, single-use film products and solutions for customers who rely on hygiene process technology. Our film systems are manufactured in clean rooms and can be safely disposed of after use. This significantly reduces the need for expensive and time-consuming cleaning processes and associated qualification procedures that can be costly. But what truly makes Lugaia an attractive leading company is its dedicated, passionate, and environmentally conscious employees. We are Lugaia, home of containment solutions. Would you like to know more about what we do in one of the most inspiring places in Switzerland? Contact us now.